Summer nights, summer days, growing up in a small town.
Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alexandria and I'm going to be taking you guys along with me for a day in my life vlog winter edition. So I started my morning with these amazing heatless legging curls. If you're on TikTok, you know what these are, but they kind of went viral and they give me the best curls, especially for like not having to apply heat on your hair, because I am a hair care girly and I want to try to minimize as much heat on my hair as possible. So these curls are amazing. I actually posted a tutorial on my TikTok, so make sure you guys go check that out. But there are so many different tutorials on this on TikTok and it's actually super easy once you get the hang of it. I never really thought that I was a big routine girl, but I love my morning and nighttime routines. It just gives me some clarity and just some like great mindfulness in the morning. I either like to pop on a podcast or YouTube video or watch TikToks, I'm not gonna lie, and do my gua sha and my skincare routine for the day. Make sure you're putting on SPF no matter what age you are during the day. We just moved to Florida, so the sun is a little bit more intense than the Midwest, so I make sure to apply sunscreen every single morning. And then I go ahead and head into the kitchen where my morning routine truly starts. So I just like to clean up the kitchen a little bit because I'm kind of a clean freak, and if my space isn't clean, I won't do like productive work during the day. And as somebody who works from home, I need to be productive and my space needs to be clean. Is anybody else that way? Leave me a comment. Not only do I work from home, but my husband also works from home too, and we live in a 2-bedroom apartment, so things get messy really quickly. So it's really important for me to catch up on cleaning and make sure it doesn't get out of hand. After that, I like to go ahead and take my Bloom greens. I usually take my greens, and then since it's winter and sickness strikes very easily, I like to take some vitamin C. So I do that just to make sure I am healthy, and then I start on my coffee, which, oh my gosh, that first sip feeling is amazing. I head out to my patio. It was obviously a really gloomy and misty morning, and then head into my office to check my to-do list. And there's my little coworker. Isn't she adorable? My husband usually takes her out at like 6 a.m. when he gets up. I mean, I don't really wake up till like 7, so she gets a walk-in from me, and then I sit down at my desk. I love to light a candle just for like the vibes, and of course it smells good. So this is my new desk. I'm honestly not sure if I like it or not. I just had to buy something that would fit our apartment because we went from living in a house to living in an apartment, and my husband is actually using my standing desk while we're living in this apartment. So yeah, I had to get this new one. I found it on Marketplace. It is a very, very narrow. I like the size of it because it fits this space perfectly in our guest room, but I'm just not loving it. I don't know why. It's not that comfortable to me. But after work, we actually went to the dog park to get Mocha some exercise. Mocha's our dog, by the way. And of course, since we live in Florida for the interim, I have to put my feet in the sand and enjoy the ocean breeze. It is just my favorite thing to do. I really enjoy going for sunset, and it's nice to snap a few Instagram pictures also. It's just good for the content, obviously making a TikTok here and a YouTube video. But after we get home, when the sun goes down, I go ahead and start HelloFresh. So usually Brandon, my husband, cooks, but tonight I was doing the HelloFresh meal. It is just so cozy. We do HelloFresh in the winter time just because we're in a lot earlier since it gets dark earlier, so I like to do HelloFresh then. So we're making a yummy meal because my husband and I are both foodies, so that's what we're doing here. But that concludes my night, and call me a grandma, but I like to be on the couch watching a show or scrolling by 7 p.m. So that's what we're doing. But make sure you guys subscribe and like this video if you enjoy this content, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye!